Alright guys, check this out. Today I'm doing a quick review and taste test of these 3 Farmers roasted chickpeas. These are the barbecue flavored. And I did one for the salt and lime. That one was pretty good actually. It has a nice lime aroma. But I don't know which one's the best, so we're going to try this one out today. It's gluten-free, it's got protein. Here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. It's gluten-free, vegan. These are the ingredients. You got chickpeas, seasoning, and yeah, let's check this out. We're gonna open this up right now. Okay, so here we go. That is the chickpeas right there. Here's a better look. Okay, so it's kind of dry. So that hasn't changed, but it has a nice barbecue taste. It is sweet, but it's the aroma is there of a barbecue aroma. But if I had to choose between this one or the lime, I still choose the lime one. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.